The 4 technologies that will increase reliability and compliance in life science manufacturing. In the life science industry, ensuring product quality is essential to protect patients. However, even slight modifications to the manufacturing process can alter the drug's attributes beyond acceptable limits. Moreover, in response to new evidence, regulatory agencies always update the GMPs that manufacturers should comply with. Given the ever-increasing regulatory requirements, it is crucial to use all the available tools to comply with them. That's why so many companies are turning to technology to achieve higher levels of compliance and reliability. The role of technology is becoming crucial in developing reliable and compliant processes. The 4 key enabler technologies that allow these improvements are: 1. Automation. Automation systems enable precise and repeatable processes and greater traceability. One key benefit of this type of technology is that it can automate and streamline many tasks, reducing errors due to manual processes. Another helpful feature is the ability to track and manage automatically records, providing complete and easy-to-follow audit trails. 2. Real-time monitoring. Through real-time monitoring, manufacturers can track and analyze production data to identify deviations from set parameters on the plant floor and address them immediately. This enables manufacturers to address any compliance issue before it becomes more serious. 3. Data analytics. Through data analytics tools, organizations can track and predict changes in the production environment and identify potential issues early on. This technology also helps organizations identify improvement areas in the manufacturing process to reduce downtime and increase reliability. 4. Electronic Quality Management Systems, EQMS. Automated data and document management systems are vital in leveraging digital technology for improved compliance. By streamlining the process of collecting, categorizing, organizing, and storing records and documents, these tools can help organizations to minimize errors and reduce paperwork. An EQMS also eliminates the risks associated with paper documents, such as getting lost, stolen, and physically damaged. Digital document storage also makes collaboration easier, as documents can be shared quickly and easily among multiple users. The benefits of technology in life science manufacturing are clear, and there is no doubt that it will continue to be an important factor in the evolution of the life sciences industry. If you found the video insightful, please share it with your colleagues. Join our next webinar to learn more about how new technologies can help increase reliability and compliance in the life science manufacturing. Register now at www.qualistory.com.